everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you very healthy Ragi Vermicelli Upma recipe. Ragi is very healthy because it's gluten free, helps to reduce weight and good for diabetic patient, and also it helps to reduce anemia. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update in my channel. Now let's start making Ragi Vermicelli Upma. For that, here in a pan I have taken 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let it get nice and hot. When it's nice and hot, I am going to temper some spices for flavoring. Here I am adding 2 cardamom and 1 small cinnamon stick. To that I am adding half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds or rye. Let it splutter for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add some vegetables. Here I have taken half a cup of French beans, which I have chopped very in very small sizes, and over low flame I'm going to fry them so that it maintains its crunch. It will take like 2 minutes over low flame. Then half a cup of carrots, which I have cut into juliennes like this, and over low flame I am going to fry them or cook them till they soften a bit. So it also took 2 minutes to get into this stage. Next goes in 1/4 cup of green capsicum or green bell pepper juliennes. Cut the vegetable very thinly so that it softens quickly. Next, add salt according to the taste. Next goes some green chilies to give a spicy kick into the upma. You can skip it if you are making this for your kids. It's optional. Now I'm going to cover it for 5-6 minutes over low flame so that they soften a bit. And after 5-6 minutes we are here and the veggies look nicely softened and still maintaining its color and crunch. Now I'm going to add 100 grams of Ragi Vermicelli, which is going to make our breakfast very, very healthy. It will keep the bones of your babies or kids strong. Now over high flame I'm going to fry it. Rest of the recipe will be done on high flame, so it's nicely fried. As you can see, it took only 2 minutes. Now it's done. I'm going to add some water, half a cup of water. Mix everything together and let it boil over high flame. We're going to cook it over high flame till the water evaporates. All the water evaporates like this. Now the upma is ready. I'm going to take it out on a plate and serve it. So here's our bowl of goodness is ready. I've topped it off with some grated cheese because I love cheese. If you don't want to use it, don't, but do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.